So, friends, let's start with today's light, refreshing coconut pudding. Now, here I've taken 1.5 cup of fresh grated coconut, and I'm going to put this into my mixer jar. Now, one tip would be to use fresh coconut, not the one which is stored in the refrigerator. It just makes a difference with the taste. And half a cup of warm water. And you're going to grind this to a nice smooth paste. And then you're just going to sift it or sieve it and press it down gently so that you get all the coconut milk out. Now we're looking for the thick coconut milk like this. So just keep squeezing out all of the coconut milk, and you'll get this dry kind of leftover coconut. Now this comes to 1.5 cup of coconut milk. So if you want to use the ready-made coconut milk powder, you should use 1.5 cup. Now here I have 2 tablespoons of rice flour. I'm just going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the coconut milk to the rice flour and just keep it aside for a minute. And I'm also going to be using 2 tablespoons of corn flour. So I'm going to be adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the coconut milk also. And we're going to stir this and make a nice slurry out of it. We're doing this because we don't want any lumps in our mixture. So I've added about 3 to 4 tablespoons just till you get a nice thin, smooth mixture. And once you get a nice thin smooth mixture, you can also use a whisk to ensure there are no lumps. Just add it back to the coconut milk. Do the same with the rice flour. Now we're not going to be using any gelatin or anything, so we're going to be just thickening this coconut milk with our rice flour and corn flour. Now just mix everything nicely, see that there are no lumps, and now we're going to put it on a low to medium flame. Keep stirring. Now we're going to add about 1/4 cup of sugar. You can adjust the sugar, the sweetness according to your taste. You can add more or you can add less. And now just keep stirring this for exactly 5 minutes on a low to medium flame, and you will see that it instantly starts to thicken. And now turn the flame off, and with the residue heat, keep stirring it. Now I'm using these silicone cupcake holders, but you can use any, even glass bowl or, any mold that you have at home. And you're just going to pour this into all of these molds. And you're now going to just refrigerate this for exactly 30 minutes. This will set after 30 minutes. So you don't need to put it in the deep freeze, just put it in a regular refrigerator for exactly 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes of waiting patiently, you'll see that it has nicely set. Now these silicone molds, if you have them, use them because they're really easy to demold. Like you will see, I'm doing it now. So now that these have set completely after 30 minutes, I'm just going to use small plates, and you'll see how easily the silicone mold comes out. Just lift it like this, and it's nice and clean and nothing is there on it. And it's nice and wobbly, and I can't wait to dig into this lovely coconut pudding. It reminds me of my childhood days when my Nana used to make this for us in Goa. Of course, she used to use, soak the rice and then grind the rice flour and then add it. But this is an instant and quicker way of making it. And I'm just going to decorate it with some sliced almonds, since I had some almonds at home, but you can put pistachios, you can put chopped cashew nuts, the choice is yours. I say that you must try this recipe during the summer because it's so light and so refreshing, and you must have this chilled. So you can see that it is set so quickly, and it is really refreshing and light and delicious. So for those of you who love coconut, this is an easy way of making some lovely coconut dessert, and just slice into it and enjoy it. So I hope you like today's recipe. I hope you give this a try. Do let me know in the comment section of how your lovely coconut pudding turned out. and if you like this video, then don't forget to leave it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I've got more than 800 recipes on my channel, so go and check it out. I'll leave a link to my channel below. Thank you so much for being here and being a part of Akshata's recipes. I really appreciate it, and thank you. And I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata signing off. Take care, guys. Bye.